Hey guys, JB here from Pinetree Line, and today we got the 17-inch Blackstone Griddle with the hood, and we're going to do the initial burn. A lot of people call it the seasoning. I call it the first burn, but we're going to be using today the Blackstone, their seasoning for griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioning. A lot of people use oil to burn it in, which is fine. I've used it plenty of times. One thing you don't want to use though is any animal products, any bacon fat, grease to burn in. Just you know, try to stick to the Blackstone seasoning if you can. It'll be the first time that I'm going to be using the product today, so we're going to check it out. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to turn the griddle on and have it on high, and as hot as you can get it before you put any of the seasoning on it. We got it up to temperature. It's hot enough now, so I'm going to put the initial Blackstone seasoning into it. So roughly a tablespoon. Now, you don't want it to go down the grease tray. You want to keep it on the actual griddle itself. And just start moving it around. And just let it burn, guys. Just try to get the whole cooktop and the sides as well. Typically, you would do this about 3 or 4 times. Sometimes you'd have to do it the 5th time, but normally 3 or 4 times would be good. It roughly takes about 15 minutes to burn off, and let it get back up to temperature hot, and then put another tablespoon of seasoning on it and just start moving it around with your paper towel. They said get a Blackstone and start cooking outside. They said it's going to be fun. Why not? Welcome to Northern Ontario. Started snowing actually on us, so change of plans. We grabbed the griddle, we brought it indoors, we opened up some windows in here just to give us a little bit more venting, but we have to get it up to temperature outside. It just wasn't cutting it. So we're going to do the rest of the burn indoors. It should be hot enough now that I can get it to start burning. So again, this is the second burn now. We're just going to start moving it around. Get the whole cooktop area. So it will smoke, guys. That is normal. You want it to get it to smoke. It'll smoke for about 10-15 minutes, but that's good. You want it to start burning off. And it's not that bad that, you know, you're going to smoke yourself out of the house. It's not that bad at all. Now, guys, if you're going to do this indoors, just please make sure it's well ventilated. And while you're doing this, guys, make sure you keep it on high. You want it to be as hot as possible. Okay, guys, so we've done 3 burns now. I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to finish up with that, and then I'm going to let it cool down. Give it a quick little cleaning. You always got to make sure that when you put your Blackstone away, though, put a thin layer of oil on it and keep it well oiled, because the last thing you want to do is rust up. Now you're basically seasoning the hardened steel and conditioning it, so just make it a non-stick base. If you do this, guys, and you guys can cook on your griddle, and you can recondition it as you go as well down the road, just to make sure that you're taking good care of your griddle. That's about it, guys. Good luck with your Blackstone, and everybody out there, have fun griddling. Thanks for watching.